Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix KRNL failed to find Roblox process. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So if you're getting an error message that looks similar to this, then follow along with me as I'm just going to guide you through what to do. First, what you're going to want to do is come to your desktop. And if you right click onto your taskbar down here and open up the task manager, of course, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you come up with Roblox. If you have got it running, so you can see Roblox game client here, all you want to do is click onto this, then right click and click onto end task. So once you've done that, next what you're going to want to do is come to the bottom left hand corner and click on your search icon. And in here, you want to go ahead and type run, or you can just hold the Windows key and press R on your keyboard in here. What you want to do is type the following, which is %appdata%, and then hit enter. And what that's going to do is bring up a folder that looks like list. Now you should see the topic should say app data and roaming. You should be in this folder, so you should actually see the KRNL folder in there. Now, because I'm not expecting this error, I've not got that on here, but if you do see that folder, the first thing you're going to want to do is uninstall and delete that folder. So once this is done, all you want to do is come to the top to this little address and you want to click onto app data. Next, go and click onto the local folder and then go ahead and find Roblox folder. So you can do this by clicking onto any folder, pressing R on your keyboard, and that's going to take you to all the folders named R. So you can see we've got Roblox here. So you just want to double click onto the folder. What you want to do here is come to the logs folder, which is up here. So you can see if I click onto this just got a list of loads of different logs. And all you want to do is delete this folder by again clicking on it, press and delete on your keyboard and deleting that folder. Now once that's done, go ahead and try Android Roblox and you should now be able to play with no problem. The final thing I could recommend if it's still not working is to turn off your antivirus. So to do this again, come down to the search box on your desktop and then go ahead and type virus and threat protection. And you'll see underneath batch match, we got the link to the app player. So you want to click onto this and basically you want to turn off real-time protection. So this depends on what, of course, and 2 photos you have installed. If you have this basic one, it should be here, but if you have something like I've got like AVG or Norton, and what you have to do is actually open up the program and turn the antivirus off on there. Again, once that's done, go ahead and try and open Roblox and you should be able to play the game now with no problem. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.